at CVS.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna do this deal right here. When you buy 2 Colgate Optic White toothpaste, you will get a $7 extra buck. And I'm gonna do this deal also. When you buy 2 Colgate Optic White or Maybelline, you'll get a $6 extra buck. I got a $10 extra buck that I'm gonna roll to pay for this, but I'm gonna get back $13. I got a $2 off one digital here, $3 off one digital here, CRT. I'm gonna pay $6.78 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back this $6 extra buck and that $7 extra buck. I wanted to do this deal right here, but as you can see, they ain't got nothing. Because for my digitals to attach, I needed that pods right here because I got a $3 off one digital. And I needed the game because I had a $3 off one digital. So I'm going to have to go to another CVS with the extra bucks that I get here. Darn it. Okay, fam, I done made it back home from CVS. As you can see, this is my little deal that I did. I did the buy 2 Colgate. They $3.99 a piece. You get a $7 extra buck back. I did the buy Colgate with the Maybelline. I had a $2 off one digital here, $3 off one digital here. You get $6 back. And I just bought a little Dawn. So the deal that I really wanted to do was the laundry deal. And as y'all can see in the video, it wasn't any there. So I'll do another CVS haul later on in the week. But this is what I got. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. Y'all see I had the $2 off one digital Colgate toothpaste, the $3 CRT Maybelline. You rolled the $10 extra care bucks that I had, plus the 2%, which was 61 cents. My subtotal was $6.04 out of pocket. I got back the 7 plus the 6. That's $13 in extra bucks, which makes this a $7 moneymaker. So I did need the Colgate because, believe it or not, I'm about out of toothpaste. Yeah, I keep on and I'm about out of toothpaste. I done gave away so much toothpaste, so now I'm about out of toothpaste. So I did need these. This right here I give away. I will use that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And that was a really good deal. But I'm going to roll these to do the laundry deal. Until the next video, give me a thumbs up. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.